the Knit India Through Literature project comprises 4 volumes, 4 voluminous books, which run into maybe 1,600 and odd pages. So you can imagine the magnitude of the project. And as she was executing, I'm sure I don't think she had anticipated that it will take 14 to 15 years. Maybe she had thought within 2-3 years she will be able to finish it. But why did it take so long, and whether she had anticipated it? And I would also like to know what hurdles she faced as she carried on with the project.
If I write Mannangatti in Tamil, Mannangatti literally means mud clots. If you say mud clots, nobody will be able to understand what it is. If you say nonsense, or forgive my language, shit, that is what will fit in more aptly to the context. So the trans creator must be given the liberty. They should have the knowledge, then they should have the liberty to bring the same impact the original has created among the readers through the transcreation. Now to answer Damodar, yes, of course, I originally very naively thought 1 year because I'm a very fast worker, I work 18 hours a day. And I thought for one volume, which is south or east or north and west, 1 year. And then compiling them all together, 1 year. Printing and seeing the proof, 1 year. So I thought I'll finish it in 6 years' time. How naive of me. Honestly, the first volume itself took about nearly 4.5, 5 years. First volume was comparatively easy for me because I was very familiar with the South Indian languages, and I had traveled to all those places many times due to various reasons. But the East was very challenging for me. Going up to Guwahati and Imphal and to meet Indian Nepali writers in Darjeeling and other places. I've gone up to Calcutta, but then I've never traveled interior. And then traveling alone, as my Manipur writers wrote to me when I contacted them. They wrote back to me saying that don't come here, there are 16 insurgent groups here, so it's very unsafe. I'm talking about almost 15, 16 years before. Things might have changed now. Then in spite of it, I had to travel alone, stay in a very secure place and take a proper transport and go to the writer's house and stay with them for a day or so and then do the interview. When I come back, the transcriptions of the tapes, South Indian languages, the pronunciation was far more easy for us to do. Whereas in all this entire project, I take help of others only for transcription of the transcribing the tapes.
The book of mine, which I just left by the seaside on the sand. I said, let somebody pick it up or let the sea take it. It is my offering to the sea, to Goa. And even now I was going on saying, I have to go to this beach. Tell me which is the virgin beach. Why do you want to go to a virgin beach? They were asking me. But you know, living in Delhi, where every morning you get up and ask yourself, why the hell are you living in this city? Goa is like, I don't see the negative side of it, though I have seen, when I came 3-4 years back on the beach, I really saw bad things happening. And I was asked, I was told not to say anything, just to observe, because you cannot interfere with the kind of people who are operating there. But children, all kinds of things happening. But the beauty, the nature, it is man who is wild, Beauty, natural beauty is always there, and nature strikes back when the moment comes, when the right moment comes. You can exploit nature, you can think you have conquered nature only for so long. A time comes when it strikes back, and it's already striking back. So now that Goa, again, your Green Goa campaign has started, I hope to see Goa again in an even more pristine form. But it is the sea and the combination of the sea and the old architecture, the churches, the temples, the God and man. rather nature and man have sort of conspired together to make this a beautiful land.
I was full of spirits. So when I was planning and everything, I wrote to 2-3 organizations in India which call themselves, the name itself, they have something for national integration. Huge organizations. And I wrote to them explaining this, and they all wrote back saying that it's a beautiful, lovely project, but we don't have provision for such projects. I never had any financial assistance from anybody. Thank God I could do it on my own to some extent. But some friends from Tamil Nadu, Chennai, they came forward to publish the book. And so in publishing the book, I had financial help. But otherwise, I didn't have any, and it's okay if I have 4 children and I'm going to put them up through postdoctorate course. I will not hesitate, isn't it? So these 4 are my 4 children.
I remember Ananthamurthy once telling me that actually you are not a Hindi writer, you are a Malayalam writer. Unfortunately, you were born with the Hindi mother tongue, because in Malayalam you will be accepted. And that's what happened, you know. Katgulab was translated in Malayalam, and in Marathi the reactions were very, very, what should I say, one can't say good, but they went into it. In fact, one story only which was translated in Bangla, I got so many phone calls from there. And there was one sentence in it, the last sentence, which was totally missed in Hindi. But all of them, you know, immediately latched onto that sentence. Okay, this is the crux of the story. And work is being done in Switzerland or Italy or even Russia. Nobody is shocked. But so I sometimes feel that Hindi belt is a little more narrow-minded, and it's a little difficult to write freely in the Hindi world, if you care. If you don't care, of course you can write. विपिन करेगा सब कुछ, बस पाएगा कुछ नहीं. बंजर जमीन पर कटगुलाब की झाड़ी उगेगी, पर विपिन को उसके नीचे फैला बंजर ही दिखेगा. वो समझ गया था, वो गोधड़ का इंतज़ार नहीं कर रहा, सिर्फ गोधड़ जा रहा है. वहाँ जो जो करना होगा वो करेगा. लड़ाई, संघर्ष, युद्ध, मेहनत, तैयारी, परिकल्पना, मार्गदर्शन, अनुगमन, बहुत शक्ति है उसके पास. दुख की निसीम शक्ति. वो आज़ाद है, चक्रीय दुख सुख की श्रृंखला से मुक्त. समय की जो जो मांग होगी वो करेगा. निडर निशंक करेगा, क्योंकि अब कभी किसी चीज़ का इंतज़ार उसे नहीं होगा. Once you write, you cannot wait for things to happen.